Wouldn't you rather enjoy pumping up your watercraft by the water instead of having to hang out at your car while it pumps up? I'm Gina with WTI, and I had definitely had enough of that. So I got a rechargeable paddleboard pump from Airbank. Some things that I really love about this are, of course, that it's portable. I can take it straight to the water or the dock and pump my board up right there. Plus, this inflates boards quickly. I have these 10-foot boards. It was able to fill them up to 12 psi within 5 minutes. This comes with a variety of different adapters, so you can use it for more than just your paddleboard. You can use it for kayaks or tents or anything else that these will fit into. I also love that I don't have to babysit this pump as it is inflating my sup. I can set it and forget it because it has an auto off. That means I can snack, walk around, do other things to prep for my trip onto the water while it does its job. To operate it, you're going to press the power button and then use the minus or plus buttons to choose your PSI, and then press the power button again and away it goes. Another really nice feature is that when the battery is fully charged, it can fill up to 3 boards to 12 psi. And when deflating, this makes the board paper thin, which is so nice for packing up. This is your new favorite companion to go paddleboarding with. Trust me, you're going to love it. And that's my point of view.